Now live, I'm Pratibha. Let's begin with a disturbing update where 7 persons have died allegedly after being treated by a fake cardiologist at a missionary hospital in Madhya Pradesh's Damoh district, prompting the NHRC to launch a probe into the matter. A team of the National Human Rights Commission will camp in Damoh from the 7th of April to the 9th to conduct an investigation into the matter. As per a complaint that has been lodged by one of the local residents with the NHRC, a person using the name Dr. N. John Cam, who was said to be working at the hospital, had shown himself to be educated and trained from abroad. The complainant claimed that the real name of the person is Narendra Vikramaditya Yadav. He misused the name of a famous cardiologist from the United Kingdom. Now, Professor John Cam, to mislead the patients, had used these fake certificates and they died due to the wrong treatment that was meted out to them, the complaint alleges. Listen in to the bone-chilling account from some of the victims' kin who have spoken about what actually happened. And look at the visuals of the screen as well. Families being devastated after it came to light that this was a fake cardiologist. The victims were undergoing treatment. The doctor claimed that he had studied abroad and he also boasted of some great credentials, after which the victims went to the clinic for their treatment. And unfortunately, this fake doctor also conducted operations, after which 7 people have died.
मैं तो यही कहता हूँ कि इलाज के कारण हुआ है वो तो।
कब भर्ती किया था आपने?
4 फरवरी मंगलवार को।
क्या हुआ फिर?
वहाँ ये हुआ कि उन्होंने बोला कि जगह हुआ तो उन्होंने बोला कि एंजियोग्राफी करानी है और कागज आगज उन्होंने दस्तखत करा दिए। वो हम तो हमारा मरीज है तो हम तो उसको देखते दस्तखत कौन देखता है कहाँ पे करा रहे हैं। उसके बाद में बोला आप आयुष्मान कार्ड लगा दो। मैंने बोला नहीं, मैं अभी पैसों की व्यवस्था से नहीं आया हूँ। बोला नहीं, आपका आयुष्मान कार्ड लग जाएगा तो आपको पैसे नहीं लगेंगे। अब यही चाहते हैं कि जो हमारे साथ में हुआ है वो किसी के साथ में ना हो और जो है तो उस पर कार्रवाई होना चाहिए।
My colleague Govind is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Govind, the details of this are extremely disturbing. A man posing as a British heart surgeon was also performing surgeries, multiple deaths being caused by him. How long had he been operating? How did this situation come to light? What are the details?
Yeah, absolutely. We can understand that this forgery was going on for a long time. In fact, Vikramaditya Yadav, Vikramaditya Yadav, in fact, he was posing as a British doctor and as a cardiologist and was posted there. And now he is exposed. And just after a few minutes or a few hours, NHRC team also reaching there to investigate this matter. And you know that FIR has already been lodged against this doctor late evening yesterday. And many serious allegations that he has played with the life of 7 innocent, and many case studies coming out when this when this doctor just exposed that he was doing this forgery, and many questions being raised on the brass administration of Damoh district. In fact, that how it was continuing that this doctor was posing as a British doctor by being fake. In fact, now he is exposed completely, and many questions being raised on the opposition is just attacking on the government, that what government was looking after when this forgery was going on, and he was playing with the innocent life, and so far making the allegations that he has in fact played the life of 7 innocent patients who have lost their life while operating, and he was claiming that he is the famous cardiologist of abroad, was telling himself. So now he is still absconding and police investigating the matter, and let's see that when this fake doctor will be arrested. So this is what number of questions also being raised by the opposition.
So imagine this fake doctor had conducted as many as 15 surgeries. Several people have lost their lives already, and the local residents then complained to the NHRC. We have reactions coming in as well as the local residents continue to question how is it that he was practicing without the requisite permits for such a long time. So many residents of the area have lost their lives because of this.
जी, थाना कोतवाली पर जो है अभी FIR पंजीबद्ध हुई, जिसमें मिशन हॉस्पिटल में कार्यरत डॉक्टर एन जॉन केम के अगेंस्ट में जो है धोखाधड़ी और कूटरचित दस्तावेज प्रस्तुत कर जो है मामला पंजीबद्ध के विरुद्ध किया गया है। और इसमें हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट CMHO साहब की तरफ से हमारे पास प्रतिवेदन आया था कि डॉक्टर नरेंद्र जॉन केम जो है वो फर्जी तरीके से एंजियोग्राफी और एंजियोप्लास्टी करते हुए जो उन्होंने सेवाएं दी। मेडिकल के जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं वो संदेहास्पद पाए गए थे, जिनकी जांच जो है वो डॉक्टर्स की टीम ने की है, और डॉक्यूमेंट्स संदेहास्पद पाए जाने के उपरांत जो है उनके अगेंस्ट में एफआईआर जो है वो लॉन्च की गई।
So how did he go undetected until now? He was even conducting surgeries, and only after residents lost their lives that people went and filed a complaint, and then it was revealed that this was a man who was actually Narendra Yadav, who claimed to be the London-based cardiologist, and John Cam. My colleague Makrand is also on the broadcast with us. Makrand, has the man now been arrested?
No, he is right now responding from police, and police is searching for that particular man. And he is alleged that 7 people have died after his post-surgery, and he is not capable of that surgery, but he has done that, and after that 7 people have died. When this complaint was filed, Human Rights Commission summoned him about this incident. He ran away, and an FIR has been lodged against him. When police was inquiring in this incident, they came to know that in Bilaspur there are several cases where his surgery was failed, and so many people have died. So right now he is under surveillance, and he ran away from police officers, and police is searching for him right now.
Okay, all right, stay with us. In fact, the NHRC's Priyanka Nungu, in a post on X, has said that a case of untimely death of 7 persons has come to light in the hospital in Damo, where the fake doctor was operating on patients and the treatment was being conducted. According to the complaint, the said missionary hospital is covered under the Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Yojana, and hence the government money has also been misused. This investigation team will examine the institution and persons who were mentioned in the complaint, including the administrative officials.
मध्य प्रदेश के दमोह से शिकायत प्राप्त हुई थी कि एक मिशनरी के अस्पताल में नकली डॉक्टर ने हृदय रोग संबंधी सर्जरी करके कई लोगों की जान ले ली, और इसमें ये भी बताया गया कि ये मिशन का जो अस्पताल है ये आयुष्मान भारत योजना के अंतर्गत आच्छादित होने के कारण सरकार से पैसे भी इन चिकित्सा सुविधाओं के बदले ले रहा था। ये अपने आप में गंभीर प्रकृति की शिकायत है। आयोग इसमें संज्ञान ले रहा है और आगे कार्रवाई संपादित की जा रही है।
Abha Singh is on the broadcast with us. Abha Singh, this is extremely shocking and so heart-wrenching. This is a man who was posing as a fake doctor. He posed to be the London-based cardiologist and was even treating patients, conducting surgeries, and 7 people have lost their lives.
In fact, I would call this murder, cold-blooded murder, that a person who does not have a degree of a doctor is conducting surgeries. What is the medical council doing? What is the government machinery doing? There has to be a procedure. If a doctor has a license, the license on his clinic, and also why these have not been verified. What about the health inspectors? I hold the government and the medical council responsible for all the deaths which have taken place. Not only should the families be adequately compensated, but the case of murder should be registered against this doctor.
Okay, all right. Abha, I request you to stay with us for just a moment. We also have Congress leader Jeetu Patwari on the broadcast with us. Jeetu Patwari ji, this is extremely shocking. A hospital that comes under the Pradhan Mantri Yojana having a fake doctor who was conducting surgeries, leading to the death of 7 people.
I heavy request you कि ऐसा भारत बना दिया नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने, भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने, कि नफरत और घृणा से देश के ऊपर सर चढ़ के बोल रही है। ये डॉक्टर जो सोशल मीडिया पे सबसे बड़ा भक्त था नरेंद्र मोदी का, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सबसे बड़ा विरोधी था मानवता का, इसने पहले कई बार अलग अलग तरीके से फ्रॉड किया। अभी ये नकली डॉक्टर बनके इतनी लोगों की जान लेना, इस यादव जी की, ये मैसेज क्या है? ये मैसेज है कि ये फ्रॉड लोगों की एक बहुत बड़ी कम्युनिटी है और ये सब मोदी जी को सपोर्ट करते हैं, ये बीजेपी को सपोर्ट करते हैं, ये ट्विटर पे माहौल बनाते हैं, ये घृणा फैलाते हैं।
अच्छा,
और ये नफरत देश में फैलाकर राजनीतिक एजेंडे पे काम करते हैं।
यहाँ 7 लोगों की मौत हो गई है और कहा जा रहा है कि ये जो हॉस्पिटल है वो प्रधानमंत्री आयुष्मान योजना के तहत आती है। तो गवर्नमेंट
ये
फंड्स
किया
भी मिसयूज
किसने?
हुए।
किसने किया? ये बीजेपी की सरकार ने तो किया। ये फ्रॉड लोगों को मोबिलाइज किसने किया? ये जो नरेंद्र मोदी जी के पक्ष में माहौल बना के, बीजेपी के पक्ष में माहौल बना के, राहुल गांधी जी के लिए झूठे सच्चे कमेंट्स कर करके बीजेपी के नेताओं से ये सब फैसिलिटी ली इनने, वो लोगों की हत्या की। तो इसके लिए वो तो दोषी है ही, से सरकार भी दोषी है। हत्या का मुकदमा सरकार पे भी बनना चाहिए।
तो कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से क्या डिमांड है आपकी जीतू पटवारी जी गवर्नमेंट से?
मैं तो देश के सामने सवाल है कि किस तरीके से देश में नफरत और घृणा के नायक लोग इस तरीके से फ्रॉड करके नरेंद्र मोदी के संरक्षण में, बीजेपी के संरक्षण में लोगों की मौत के सौदागर बन रहे हैं।
Okay, all right. Jeetu Patwari ji, thank you for joining us. The Congress party talking about the political side of it, but here we have 7 people who have lost their lives. Families who are devastated. Activist Yogita is also on the broadcast with us. Thank you for joining us. Yogita, the politics of it aside, it raises several questions. How did he go unchecked for so long? And does it need the death of 7 people, 7 innocents, for the authorities to actually wake up and find out that this is a fake cardiologist?
So basically, if you really do little audits, like it's a complete government failure. However, if we even now take it seriously and try to do some audits, we will find out that every nook and corner of this country will have such fake doctors. But nobody takes it seriously, and there is no accountability. Even if you have a genuine doctor treating the patients, there is no accountability. Now, coming to the fake doctors, there must be thousands of them. So it's a complete failure of the system. I would totally blame it to the government, because if they have councils, they have proper, kind of SOPs to follow. Why this man had gone unchecked, and he has killed, as Abhaji rightly said, he has killed 7 people. And these are the 7 people we know about. I don't know how many people he must have already killed before this, and also how many such doctors must be prevailing in our country in every nook and corner. So it is a high time government really need to work on the serious issues like these, rather than, talking about superficial things. These are the real areas of work which really needs attention, and because it involves lives. We are talking about doctors, we are talking about hospitals, healthcare, which really directly, can save a life or kill a life. So one has to be very, very serious, and this has to be kind of held accountable. Authorities should be sacked. One should see the line of operations, who was involved, who was above that, and who was the checking authority, the district authority or the state authority and the central authority. Everybody should be held accountable, which will not happen. I'm just saying, I'm hoping, but nothing happens in this country. Mass killings happen, nothing. Everything goes unchecked. So I'm hoping beyond hope that some serious
well, absolutely, it should not go
taken.
unchecked, and there should be an audit on multiple levels to find out why it went wrong. Thank you for joining us, Yogita. We have Dr. Sanjeev Bagai also on the broadcast with us. Dr. Sanjeev Bagai, this is shocking and very, very heart-wrenching, and questions need to be raised on how there has been a failure at multiple levels. This is a doctor who was working at a hospital that is affiliated with the Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Yojana. A fake cardiologist, no certificate, was even conducting surgeries, and it came to light only after 7 people lost their lives.
Good morning. This is extremely distressful to hear. This fake doctors issue, the medical fraternity has been fighting and battling for many decades now. But this kind of event shows lapses on various avenues. Fault on the part of the registration and the licensing authority, fault of the hospital's part not to verify the documents and the credentials of the doctor. To lose human lives by a person who's not qualified to practice medicine at all, and that too to do surgeries, killing people, this amounts to murder. It's a simple case which actually highlights where the faults lie. And I hope and pray that the local government and the central government takes the strictest action.
Yes.
And if this doesn't demand capital punishment, I don't know what will.
Dr. Bagai, I just want to ask, how is it possible? Are there no checks that are conducted, even if a man is posing to be a doctor and he brings in credentials from someone else? Are there going to be no checks? This is a hospital that is affiliated with the PM Ayushman Yojana. There are several people who were coming there as patients. So there has been failure at multiple counts, isn't it? Are there no checks, no background checks that are conducted?
Yeah, so all doctors have to have registration with the local medical council. Of course, we have degrees which are given by the center, by the licensing authorities, but we have to register. As a medical practitioner practicing clinical medicine, me individually, I have to register with the Delhi Medical Council. It's the onus of responsibility on the hospitals, clinics, all medical establishments to verify whether the doctor is truly registered and has an authentic degree. This registration has to be revalidated every 5 years. That's the rule in Delhi. Likewise, it would be similar in most other states.
Okay.
So I think we need to verify who's qualified, who's not qualified. But
Yes.
this kind of quackery which is happening is taking human lives. It's extremely painful. I can see the visuals on the
because
television
these
right
quacks
now.
are operating and they're merely impersonating somebody else, and they're operating and thriving there, and it has come to light only now after deaths. Thank you for joining us, Dr. Bagai. The Congress party on its part is drawing a BJP link to the scandal. The Congress leader Supriya Srinath is pointing to the doctor's so-called links with the BJP.
लोगों को ये गलतफहमी थी कि ये विदेशी है, पर असल में इसका नाम था नरेंद्र विक्रमादित्य यादव, हिंदुस्तानी, और इतना बड़ा भक्त था, दिन भर ट्विटर पे अनर्गल बातें, विपक्ष के खिलाफ जहर उगलना, बीजेपी का बड़ा चहेता था। योगी जी तो उसके ट्विटर का रिप्लाई भी करते थे। लेकिन अब जो इसने किया है वो अक्षम्य अपराध है। ये फर्जी डॉक्टर जो अपने आप को इंग्लैंड का दिल का डॉक्टर बताता था, ये फर्जी डॉक्टर है, इसकी डिग्री फर्जी है। इसने मध्य प्रदेश के दमोह में तमाम लोगों की हार्ट सर्जरी करी, जिसमें 7 लोगों की मौत हो गई लापरवाही से। और अब बीजेपी वाले, अब बीजेपी की आईटी सेल, अब योगी जी जैसे लोग क्या कहेंगे? आप चुप रहिएगा। ऐसे लोगों से, ऐसे फर्जी लोगों से, ऐसे फेकू लोगों से बीजेपी भरी पड़ी है।
So the politics around it continues, and unfortunately for the families, their loved ones have been lost. We continue tracking the developments on the story and the action that is initiated. For now, quick break. We'll be right back.